In spite of scenic beauty, horticultural sites, heritage monuments, prosperous temples, rich flora and fauna, exotic hill station, virgin beaches, lofty hills, tourist-friendly people, the state fall behind as tourist destination to the state like Kerala, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. We need to introspect ourselves as this segment of industry is poised to be a major revenue earner to any state. I am happy that the state government is developing and adopting various strategies such as Andhra Pradesh Unlimited and Visit Andhra Pradesh, which recognizes the advantage of offering the collective attractiveness of the places in the region. The policy of decentralizing tourism development to districts and local bodies will encourage private sector in the tourism industry and shall provide a framework for private-public partnership. The growth in tourism industry creates variety of jobs in areas like transportation, hospitality services, tourist guide, etc. I don't have state figures, however, travel and tourism being employment intensive provides employment to approximately 31 million people, direct or indirect, throughout the country and is one of the largest employer in the country. This number is expected to rise over 40 million by 2019 and over 43 million by 2022. The Government of India's report on skill gap analysis in the travel, tourism and hospitality sector has identified skill requirements and skill gaps in the segment of travel, tour, hotel and restaurants, which are the major segments driving employment opportunities in the tourism industry. To meet this large skill gap and make available skilled manpower in the sector of the state, I request officers to kindly consider to conduct short-term training programs on PPP basis for improving the skill and employability of local people and promote entrepreneurship in the tourism and its related sector. We would like to offer our services to collaborate with department in organizing and implementing these programs. Another important area is film tourism, which is having a strong base and tremendous growth potential in the state. In this regard, I would like to thank the department for initiating of setting up a film commission at the state level to meet various needs of film industry. The Government of India's initiative to provide support to the film industry and promoting film as sub-brand of Incredible India campaign at various international festivals and markets abroad, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Tourism has entered into Memorandum of Understanding to provide support to film industry destination both for domestic and foreign films. I request the department to use this opportunity to the state film tourism. To take forward further this initiative of this sector, FAPSI is planning to organize an event on the growth and potentialities of the film industry with the consultation of all stakeholders. I request the department to support and collaborate with FAPSI in organizing the event. The detail of the events will be forwarded to your kind consideration in due course of time. I would like to conclude my speech with the words with a request to you to consider suggestion made by us and give us an opportunity to work with the department in promotion of the tourism industry of the state.